I love Netflix. The case between Blockbuster and Netflix appears in every marketing program and give the sentence, "That will never work," completely new meaning. In your article, you are pointing out the delay in moving from console-based approaches to cloud gaming as an opportunity for Netflix to once again strike with a disruption. They did it already with home entertainment rental ecosystem with their always available subscription streaming service. Now we can see them entering the gaming space. So if you and I started a new gaming platform tomorrow, how can we make our business viable knowing what we know from inside NETINT space?
Cloud gaming is a tough business, and there are multiple elements, some of which we know about it at NetInt, some we don't. I mean, you have to, it helps to have billions in the bank, right? So that's one advantage Netflix has over you and I. You have to pick up great games, and certainly Netflix has done a lot of acquisitions and a lot of development in that space. And you have to have a great marketing plan and marketing strategy and delivery program. The part that we know is the execution side, how you render the frames and how you encode the streams. And from that perspective, you have to be as efficient as possible. I mean, it's a brutal market from a cost perspective. So you have to keep your costs down in addition to all the other stuff that I mentioned.